everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on discovering new planets, the Kepler mission. The Kepler mission was launched by NASA in 2009. Its goal was to find new planets outside our solar system. Kepler looked for planets by watching stars. It found planets by seeing tiny dips in starlight. These dips happen when planets pass in front of stars. Kepler discovered thousands of new planets. Some of these planets might be like Earth. Kepler showed us that there are many planets in space. It helped scientists learn more about our galaxy. The mission ended in 2018, but its discoveries continue to amaze us. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.